So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if today is your first time of coming across my videos, then you're welcome. Okay, so let's dive in. So today's tutorials, I'll be teaching you on how to get your bone straight bob and how to cut your bone straight very well. Okay, so let's go. So the first thing you do before you stretch your bone straight is section it. You section it line by line. Okay, as you can see, I've sectioned my bone straight, and this is me stretching it little by little. Okay, then you do this, you stretch it very well. Okay, you can see the first how straight and how curvy it is. Okay, then you do it again, you curve your stretcher a bit. That's how you get your bone straight bob, just a bit curve at the tip of your hair. Okay, so you do that continuously, then use your comb to comb it, as you can see. Okay, that's it. You do it continuously. You stretch your hair gently, very gently. Okay, so you do that continuously. All right. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, please kindly like, share and subscribe to my videos. Okay, and as you can see, you repeatedly stretch gently. Alright, I'm done stretching my hair. Now it's time to cut the bone straight to the size the customer wants it. So it's best you use your clipper, and this is me cutting, as you can see. And before you cut, you make sure your hair is at the middle of your mannequin. That's very important. Make sure your hair is at the middle. Okay, then you cut gently. You cut very gently. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright. As you can see it different now, right? You cut gently. Make sure your cutting is very accurate. All right, very accurate, as you can see. Now it's time to cut the other side. You need to trace from the last one you cut to get to the other side. Okay, this is me measuring the other side. So you cut, you measure very well. You measure very well. This is me when I was done cutting, so I have to stretch again. I have to stretch it back again. But this time around, I didn't section it. While when I want to stretch, I just have to stretch it once. Okay, you don't have to section it again before you stretch. Once you are done cutting, you need to stretch it again. But this time it's a final stretching. Alright. And if this video has helped you, please kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and this is me applying my oil on the hair. I normally use Ludas oil because it helps the hair. It helps